We warmly welcome you to this video presentation on Kestrel wind turbines from Eveready of South Africa. Eveready, manufacturer of Kestrel wind turbines, is located in the industrial suburb of Port Elizabeth, South Africa. Port Elizabeth is next to a bay, which is arm of Indian Ocean, and is the southernmost large city on the African continent. The city stretches for about 16 kilometers along the Algoa Bay, and you can see it has one of the large seaports of South Africa. The excellent infrastructure of the city, and surrounding, has made it the home of several major national and multinational companies, such as Ford, General Motors, Continental Tires, and of course, Eveready. From Port Elizabeth International Airport, it is a short drive through the beautiful and well-developed city, to the Eveready factory, which is manufacturing Kestrel wind turbines, and also Eveready batteries, and other products. It is very easy to locate the Eveready factory, since it is on a road named after itself, which is Eveready Road, and is just next to the Continental Tire factory. Established in 1937, Eveready, the iconic South African battery manufacturer, has evolved into a diverse company, and has market-dominating products across Africa for battery, lighting, and homeware, and is expanding into Middle East. Eveready has emerged as a leading player in global renewable energy sector, for small wind turbines, with Kestrel. While continuing the best practice tradition from its inception, and enjoying tremendous goodwill for quality, in recent years, Eveready has earned several accolades for their innovation, employee engagement, and employee motivation, and also for being one of the major exporters of South Africa. To meet long-term requirements of regulatory authorities, developers, investors, and insurers, Kestrel follows a no-compromise approach to quality through meticulous testing. This is to make the Kestrel wind turbines operate more efficiently, more cheaply, more effectively, and with no human interference, continue to operate and generate maximum kilowatt-hours of energy, round the clock. Kestrel has wind turbine designed for connecting to grid systems operated by electricity companies. The electricity generated by our wind turbine is used in preference to electricity supplied by public electricity company. If more electricity is required by consumer, extra supply comes in from electricity grid of the companies. While, if more is generated by the wind turbines than site consumption, the surplus is exported back. Net metering ensures, one pays difference between what is used and what the Kestrel wind system produced. As you have noticed, the low foot space requirement, and short wake, of Kestrel wind turbines, makes it an easy installation in difficult terrains, as wind farms, and also for mini grids. especially places where other systems are not economical, for their requirement of larger land areas. As we all know, wind speeds are never constant, and go up and down sharply. These peaks can be 4 to 5 times of average wind speed. So, the best turbines should necessarily have the mechanisms for operating and extracting maximum power from very high wind speeds such as 70 meters per second or more. Key challenge for wind turbines is to reliably handle the enormous forces which such high wind creates on the turbines. And, to extract maximum wind power, keep the wind turbine oriented as wind facing, and use a tail for yaw control. Kestrel uses its patented 100% reliable technology, which continues producing maximum electricity by facing winds, even as high as 70 meters per second, and more, through controlling of the forces on turbines and blades by rotating individual blades. This makes Kestrel most effective wind turbine for generating peak power during high gusts. As you may kindly see from the animation, during the high wind gusts competition turbines usually stop producing power, by furling away from wind direction or by stalling to a stoppage, therefore they are not able to extract maximum energy from high wind speeds. Since electricity is function of kilowatt produced at an instant, multiplied by the operating time, Kestrel wind turbine's ability to continuously operate for generating electricity, without furling or stopping, makes it most effective for maximizing electricity throughput, compared to competition. In addition to Kestrel's superiority for extracting maximum electricity from gusty wind conditions, Kestrel wind turbine's design is also certified to be Class 1, which means that very low human interference is needed for its operation and maintenance. Kestrel focuses on low foot space and difficult terrain sites, which are not used usually by others. Endorsing the quality, Kestrel is one among very few wind turbine certified in USA, as well as Europe, for subsidy entitlement from government as and when it is applicable. USP of Kestrel water pumping application is the ability to pump high water heads and hence exploit lower water tables and yield high volume of water. Kestrel wind turbines are especially designed for tapping even low wind speeds to deliver reasonably high volumes of water, as can be seen in the example of this farm installation. Kestrel has provided wind turbines across the American continent, based on its unique strengths of low maintenance requirements for remote sites, ability to withstand high gusts and harsh weather conditions, from blizzards of Alaska, to sandstorms of Wyoming, to the corrosion of sea wind in West Indies. Kestrel has been leading small wind turbine global supplier to Europe and rest of world. In most stringent markets of United Kingdom, Germany, France, Spain, and Italy, Kestrel has been successful in getting approval for government subsidies, a global endorsement of its quality and durability. Kestrel performs well in the hot corrosive deserts of Iraq, where maintenance is not possible. In high gusty conditions such as Scotland and Ireland, Kestrel has proved its mettle of producing power at wind speeds, not tolerable by almost entire competition. And, we look forward to be a supplier of choice, for small wind turbines, wherever you are in the world.